Hello everybody, this is Koopa Keenan Fans and Gaming, back again with another video. This is part 2 of the National Ceiling Fan Day video. This is my fan display here. I'm going to cut it off by means of a remote kit. And I want to get a contest of what fan... I want to get a contest with what fan stops first to what fan stops last. I want to find out what fan stops first to what fan stops last. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these fans off all at once by means of the remote kit. And then I'm going to post the fans in order from when they stop, from the first one to stop to the last one to stop in the description and on voice. So you ready? 3, 2, 1. All fans are stopping. Making predictions. Craftmade Decorative is going to stop first. That's what I think. I can tell by his little blades and the fact that the bearings are kind of bad in that fan. They need some work. They are worn. They're not making a lot of noise right now, but they will if the fan is left on for so long. But I suspect that the small ones will stop, then the big ones. Craftmade stops. SMC stops. The Design House Manhattan, I feel like, oh, 6-blade close-up stop next. Then the Manhattan stops. I expect a 6-blade close-up to stop first. Georgian was next to stop. Ellington Deluxe is stopped. Now it's between these last two ceiling fans. Will the Cheshire stop first? Or will the Cheshire place 7th? Or will the Ansley place 7th? Funny how the slowest fans stop. Cheshire stopped. Ansley is still going. And now the Ansley has come to a complete stop. So all the fans have stopped. And so I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day to you all. And there will be more videos coming out, including the Homestead Universal's personal video and the personal video of the Harbor Bridge Cheshire with its new cap. And I think I'm also going to go ahead and record that decorative with the blades from the Christina Magic Machine. And that Ansley needs to record as well. But not enough talk. If you guys enjoyed these videos, like and comment and subscribe to the channel. And I am going to end this video. See you guys later. Bye bye.